In this video, I'll show you how to fix Epic Games Launcher slow download speed. Now first what you want to do is come down here and search for Task Manager, open it up, and from in here you want to look for anything that's using way too much. It can be a CPU, memory, network. So in my case, you can see Google Chrome is using way too much. I can even close down Spotify and other stuff. What you want to do is simply click on it, end task, and make sure you end everything that uses too much that you don't need. Now after you've done that, you want to head over to Details, click on the name, press Anywhere and press E. Find the Epic Games Launcher, right click on it, set priority, and change it to high. Don't have it on these, but change it to high. Now after you've done that, what you can do is come down here and search for Device Manager. In here, what you want to do is find your network adapters, find which one is your current network, right click on it, update driver, and make sure you update it. If you're unsure which one, you can just update all of them if you want to. Now the next one is come down here and search for CMD, type in ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. Now after you've done that, that can also help. Now another thing we can do is open up our Epic Games Launcher right here. What you want to do from in here is you want to come up to the settings. So click on your icon here, go to settings, and from in here, scroll down. Make sure you have not ticked this one. Make sure it's unticked, and make sure you untick these two. Now after that, what we can do is come down here to our firewall, open up firewall, allow an app, change settings, allow another app, and then look for your Epic Games folder. Now I have mine on the D drive, but usually it's on the C drive. However, you want to find the Epic Games, find the launcher, engine, binaries, the Windows you're currently running. I'm running Windows 64. And then here you want to choose Epic Games Launcher.exe. Press open, add, and it should add an Unreal Engine Launcher proxy. Now I already have it added, so there's no need to have two of them. So I'll just remove this one. But once you have it here, you want to make sure both of these are ticked. Just like that. Now after you've done all of that, your download speed should hopefully be a lot faster. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.